Did you know that researchers have developed a new type of solar panel that can generate electricity from raindrops as well as sunlight? Yes, you heard that right. This innovative technology is a game changer in the world of renewable energy. Imagine harnessing power from rain and sun in one go. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. This could revolutionize how we generate electricity, especially in rainy regions. Talk about efficiency. The future of solar energy just got a whole lot brighter and wetter.